Alright, let us continue. We have already answered the first question and we're just remaining with the second question. And on the second question, I'm going to help you answering the first part. I'm going to help you answer the first part. You need to know that I need your feedback. I need to know if you've gone through this video, and that is the reason why I'm going to leave question 2 and 3. On part B, question 2 and 3, I'm going to leave it to you. I want you to submit. When you submit, we are going to go through together in our inbox. If you are not going to submit, it means you are going to remain behind, because we are not going to have that time to interact in our inbox. Thank you so much, and let's go back to the paper so that we see how we can continue with the question. So this, let me just go to the paper so that I show you where we are solving from, and this is where I'm solving from. So this question, we said the third term is equals to 16. We said the third term is equals to 16. And after saying that, it is also given that the fifth term is equals to 4. The fifth term is equals to 4. So the first thing that we need is the formula for the nth term. So what is the formula for the nth term? The formula for the nth term is Tn is equals to Arn minus 1. Arn minus 1. Then in our case, we'll start with this one on top and say Tn, that Tn is 16. So we replace with Tn with 16 is equals to, where there is A, we have not been given because it's the thing we are calculating, and the R, then we'll say N, where there is N, we'll put 3, then minus 1. 16 is equals to AR, 3 minus 1, we'll say 2, AR, 2. To end here, and we'll call it equation 1. Then we go the other side, we say Tn is equals to AR is equals to Arn minus 1, just like this. Then we'll say, where there is Tn, we'll replace with 4. Where there is Tn, we replace with 4. Then after that, we'll say 4 is equals to AR, because AR we don't have, that's what we're calculating for. AR is equals to the fifth term, which is 5 minus 1. Having that, we're going to end up having 4 is equals to AR, thing like that, AR. Then we're going to have this cable. We are going to have 5 minus 1, which is 4. We will call this equation 2. Then we are going to solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously using the method that is called the substitution method. Using substitution method. So how do you do the substitution method? So in the first equation, we are going to make A the subject of the formula. In the first equation, let's make A the subject of the formula. 16 is equals to AR squared. How do we make A the subject of the formula? We divide both sides by R squared. And this goes. A is equals to 16 over R squared. A is equals to 16 over R squared. So if that is what we have, then in the second equation, 4 is equals to AR power 4. It means whatever whatever A that we have here means this. Then we're going to replace 4 is equals to 16 over R squared, in the brackets, R power 4. Things like that. So if we have this, we said whenever we are dividing, because this is on top, this is going to be over 1, then they are opposites. When we are dividing, find that we subtract powers. So if we remain with power 0 here, it means it's going to be 1. So this is 1 and this one will remain with R2. So this is going to give us 4 is equals to 16R squared. Yeah. That's what we have. 4 is equals to 16R squared. So if we have 16R squared, we want to make R the subject of the formula, divide both sides by 16. Divide both sides by 16. So R squared is equals to 4 into 16. We are going to have 1 over 4. So to remove the square root symbol from R, we're going to say R, we're going to introduce the square root. So R squared is equals to both sides by 1 over 4 square root. Then we realize that this and this goes, then R is equals to square root of 1 is just 1, then square root of 4 is 2. This is our R. This is our R at the corner of the page. 1 over 2 is our R. Alright, that's nice. It's good to find that as our R, and let's go to the paper. Okay, that's what we have, and the same question is saying find the first term and the common. Find the first term and the common ratio. The common ratio is what we found, so let's go to finding the first term. Let's go to finding the first term. So for us to find the first term, we need to remember our equation 1. We need to remember our equation 1, and our equation 1 says 16 is equals to AR squared. 16 is equals to AR squared. That's our equation 1. That's our equation 1. 16 is equals to AR squared. 16 is equals to AR squared. This is our equation 1. Now let's go. 16 is equals to AR squared. We are going to say 16 is equals to, where there is A we do not have, but where there is R we know it's 1 over 2, then squared. Then 16 is equals to, where there is A we don't have, then 1 over 2 squared is going to give us 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. Then we are going to have this. So to make A the subject of the formula, we are going to divide both sides by 1 over 4, even here by 1 over 4. You shouldn't get surprised by this kind of math. So you cancel this and this goes, then A is equals to 16 over 1 over 4. If you have this, it means A is equals to 16 over 1 divided by 1 over 4. This over here means divide by, so divide by 1 over 4. Then after that we are going to say 16 over 1. If we have division, this division changes to multiplication, then this reciprocate. So we are going to have 4 over 1. This is direct multiplication, and we're going to say A is equals to 16 times 4. 16 times 4 is equals to 64, which means our A is equals to 64. Our A is equals to 64. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me in my inbox. Feel free to inbox me. Some of you who are in the group, you are most welcome to my inbox, but if you are not in the group, please request that you are added to the group. And I want to appreciate you for the time that you've taken to listen to Miss Patrick Nkemba, and I'm saying let's meet later in another lecture.